Good morning everybody, this is Bhaskar Prajapati. Welcome back you all in Jagdish Education. So in this today's session we will be solving one problem, that's convert NDFSM to DFSM. So the given problem it's shown here. So this problem is based on epsilon transition. So first we have to find epsilon transition for this given NDFSM. So let's begin. Epsilon of P is equal to P, because without paying anything we have reached state P, and without paying anything we have reached state Q, so PQ, and without paying anything we have reached state R, so PQR. Epsilon of Q is nothing but Q, epsilon of R is nothing but R. Okay, so this is first we have done with epsilon part. Now coming to the transition part, we will draw one table. Transition input A, B, C. Here you see in this diagram A, B, C, three inputs are there, so we will take in three inputs P, A, B, C. Okay, now here we have got new state PQR. So see here, on giving input A from P, if we give input A, we are reaching any state. Check once here, so nothing here, nothing here, nothing, so leave it as it is. On input B, on PQR, on input A, we will check for Q. Now from Q to A we are getting A state, so again A is there, so A is pointing to P, so we will get PQR. Okay, now coming to the PQR on input B. On input B we are reaching just R, and check one, another is left. On input B we have reached R. Okay, on PQR, okay, Q from, okay, R is, okay, P is pointing to B, that's a Q. So see here, P on giving input B, so it's reaching to Q, we have written here. Again Q on B, so it's reaching to R. Okay, on R it's a self loop, R only, here we have written, not required. Similarly for PQR on input C, P on input C, it's reaching R. Okay, Q on input C, it's a self loop, so write Q. Okay, then R on input C, it's a nothing here, so let as it is. Okay, so we have got new state QR, so QR. Okay, QR on input A, Q on input A, it's a coming to here P, so PR, epsilon of P is nothing but PQR. Okay, on input R, on from state R on input A, so nothing is as it, leave as it is. Now coming to the B, QR on B, so we will take it separately. Q on B, it's nothing but R. Okay, Q on B, it's nothing but R. R on B is nothing but simply blank. Okay, leave it. Now coming to the QR on C, QR on C, so we will take separately Q on C is nothing but self loop Q. Okay, R on C is nothing but no, it's not, no, it will be 5. Okay, coming, so here you see QR on C, so Q on C, it's a Q only, but from Q again it's a coming to a state P, so we have to take epsilon of P is nothing but PQR. Epsilon of P is nothing but PQR. Now coming to the next, we have got new state R here, so R on input A, nothing, blank. R on input B, blank. R on input C, blank. So up to here we have done with transition. Now based on this transition function, or transition diagram, we will create DFSM. So let's begin. So PQR, see here, PQR on input A, it's a self loop. PQR on input A, it's a self loop, so give A here. Okay, PQR on B, it's moving to a state QR. For C also it's moving to state QR, so B comma C will write it here. Okay, now coming to the QR on A, it's moving to QR on A, it's moving to PQR, so give one loop. Okay, so again coming to the B, QR on B, it's giving to a new state, that is R. Okay, now QR on C, QR on C, it's giving to, it's going to loop PQR, so write in comma C here. Okay, now R is blank. Okay, so in this diagram, in this DFSM diagram, you see P is nothing but our start state, so mark it here, start state. But here you can see that R is final state, so wherever R is there, just make it final state, here and here. Main problem. If you really like this video, please subscribe, share, and if you subscribe, really it will motivate us while creating video. Thank you very much.